that battle is still underway for who controls the real Shiv Sena. And we know now that Eknath Shinde has said that the EC can decide who controls the Shiv Sena. They're requesting the Supreme Court to dismiss Team Thackeray's pleas, saying that the Election Commission can decide, take this decision. And of course, Sukriti Dwivedi joins us. She's on the phone line. So, Sukriti, in the race to prove who controls the Shiv Sena, now this plea makes its way to the top court. He files his response, Eknath Shinde.
Well, yes, he has filed his response in the Supreme Court now, and all of these pleas are set to be heard on August 3rd this week. But that Eknath Shinde is completely dismissing all the allegations that have been made by the Thackeray faction so far. In the response that Mr. Shinde has filed in the Supreme Court, he has said that the floor test that was organized in order to prove his majority, it was done in a completely valid and democratic manner. And all of these issues that have been put before the court by the Thackeray faction actually pertain to internal party decisions that have been taken in a democratic manner by a majority of MLAs. And the court need not intervene in any of those issues. They don't need to interfere. They don't need to intervene in all of those issues. At the same time, even the bigger issue of which one is the real Shiv Sena, that is something that can be dealt by the Election Commission. Neither the court nor the Thackeray faction can take decisions in those regards. And Mr. Shinde has said that everything in a parliamentary democracy is decided on the basis of numbers. So to call 15 MLAs on one side who are calling the 39 of our MLAs as rebels is completely wrong. All of their allegations are false. This is a chief minister who has lost the confidence of his own party. This is an anti-democratic and minority government that was running, and they should not be allowed to continue illegally in the office. And apart from that, all the decisions taken by whether it's the governor or the new speaker that was elected, or the election of the new chief whip as well as the leader of the Shiv Sena in the Maharashtra Assembly, all of these steps by the governor as well as the elections of all of these people at these posts, that has been justified by Mr. Eknath Shinde as saying that all of these people were just trying to find a more stable government, and all of these decisions have been taken in a very democratic manner. So the Supreme Court should dismiss every plea that the Thackeray faction has filed. All eyes now on the top court, which will hear the plea before a bench of Chief Justice of India on the August of 3rd.